A ray of light traveling in a glass mu equal to 3 by 2 is incident on a horizontal glass air surface at the critical angle theta c. Glass air surface. If a thin layer of water 4 by 3 is now pure on the glass air surface, the angle at which the ray emerges into the air at the water air surface means કે ગ્લાસ છે અને આ એર છે. This is glass, this is air. The incident and glass air surface, here light is incident at a critical angle theta c. In this case sin theta c equal to, in this case mu glass sin theta c equal to air માટે mu air sin 90. Therefore mu g sin theta c equal to 1. If the thin layer of the water is now pure on the glass air surface, now this is the glass, this is the water, and this is the air. Now here light is incident theta c, here light is reflected r, and also this is r. Now this angle find કરવાનો છે. ઓકે, કેટલો એંગલ હશે તે? The angle at which the ray emerges into the air, એરની અંદર જ્યારે બહાર આવશે ત્યારે કેટલો એંગલ બનાવશે વોટરમાંથી એરમાં આવે ત્યારે. ચલો, in this case according to Snell's law, તો air water, તો mu water sin r equal to mu air sin theta. Now glass water mu glass sin theta c equal to mu water sin r. Now put this value, so sin mu g sin theta c equal to mu w sin r. Therefore mu g sin theta c equal to mu air એટલે 1 sin theta, but mu g sin theta c equal to 1, so 1 equal to sin theta, therefore theta equal to 90 degree. So answer is C. Single correct answer type 69. A ray of light enter a rectangular glass slab of refractive index √3 at an angle of incidence is 60 degree. This is the rectangular slab. This is the normal. This is the 60 degree. So at an angle, refractive index is √3, mu equal to. It travel a distance of 5 cm inside the slab, emerge out of the slab, the perpendicular distance between the incident and emergent ray. This is the incident ray and this is the emergent ray after reflection. Now find it, this is the perpendicular distance d. This is incident, this is r, and this is the 60 minus r. Now find r. According to Snell's law, n1 એટલે 1 sin 60 equal to n2 એટલે √3 sin r, sin 60 એટલે √3 by 2 equal to √3 sin r. Therefore sin r equal to 1 by 2, therefore r equal to 30 degree. Now in this case, this is the 5 centimeter. Here this is given 5 centimeter. Now in this case, sin 60 minus r, opposite side d, and this side is 5 centimeter. Therefore, sine 60 minus 30 equal to d by 5. Therefore, d by 5 equal to sine 30. Therefore, d equal to 5 into sine 30, 11 by 2, 5 by 2 centimeter. This is the answer.